months truly have been absolutely hectic. The beginning of May, I moved back into my house from living in Jackson and immediately traveled after that. And then I was out of town in San Francisco for a work conference. I then moved from one end of my house to the other. Confusing, I know, but I like rent one part of my house on Airbnb. And then I moved back into this main space and then immediately left again to spend time in Arizona and was gone for 2 weeks, came home, had a few days before having a friend in town. That friend left, another friend came, I went back east for 4th of July, and now I'm finally home and like, we just need a reset. We need a freaking reset. So one of the things that I love to do is I have created this very specific sheet that I use on a daily basis. Today is Sunday, and so I did a weekend version for this weekend of things that I want to get done, my to-do list, and truly I'm just needing like full reset mental wellness day. So that's what today has been. I had body work this morning. I recently injured my calf in my 50-mile training, so struggling with that a little bit, but had a nice like calming nervous system bodywork session and spent a little bit of time outside reading. Just started a new book, so I like to do 40 minutes in the sun. Try to do like 40 minutes in the sun at least 3 days a week. Very intentionally slow time in the sun. Getting laundry done, unpacking, cleaning the house, just trying to feel good. So let's reset, let's get back into the routine, let's get back into it. Wow, okay, so one of the things on my to-do list was to finish journal prompts that I was given by one of my business coaches, and it's a cognitive reframe exercise. It's really good and really challenging, and I'm so enjoying it. Let me know in the comments if you want me to share what she shared with me. I'll ask her if it's okay. It's really good. So if you are struggling with negative thought process or kind of like some kind of loop or just feeling stuck, this is really good. But let me know in the comments if you want me to share, and I will do so. Quick little snack break intermission of my day. But I had friends stay at the house while I was out of town, so I have no idea where I'm at with food. So the next task is I'm gonna clean out the fridge, do a little reset before I go to the grocery store tomorrow, so I can make my list. I'm gonna take it all out, clean it all out, have a list for tomorrow. Food is an essential piece of getting shit back on track. Eat whole foods, real shit only. Right now I'm having a little taco bowl, some lettuce, steak, beans, tomatoes. She's delicious. This is one of the things that was not on my to-do list, and I'm somehow procrastinating by doing it. But dirt biking has been one of those things that I added into my life at this time in my life. And I told myself I would figure it out, meaning I would figure out my bike, how to manage my bike, all the things. And here I am, trying to remove things from my handlebars without knowing what the fuck I'm doing. Hopefully if I pull one of these electrical boxes out, it's like just fine. I don't have blinkers on here, so I don't know why this is on here. You do it. Success. Somehow it is already at 9:30. I look disheveled, but I've been here. Time to set ourselves up for success for tomorrow, now that we've worked through today's list a bit, and we can reprioritize what is still on the list. A couple of appointments over in Jackson tomorrow, so we will continue on getting back on track and getting back into routines, but we gotta make our priority list and get in the right frame of mind. I'm ready for bed, very ready for bed, but this is a habit that is so essential, is getting your priorities for the day done the night before. For me, it is a game changer. So here we are, we're gonna fill this out, we're gonna get it done, and then we're gonna get my butt to bed. All right, the alarm didn't exactly go off this morning. Didn't let it slow me down. Still out. Got a transition right now because of this injury, so we're on the bike for like, mountain biking and recording yourself, not advisable. Like a 60-minute spin this morning, getting it in before I gotta head to Jackson for appointments, but we're here, we're doing it. About halfway in right now, and calf feels good, so all good. Back on the routine. How was it? Good ride? Mountain bike ride done. Interesting outfit, but we're going with it. And I am headed to therapy. But not before I make myself a smoothie. How is it 4 o'clock again already? Oh my God. Okay. Just got home from errands in Jackson and appointments, and it's a Monday, but we're cramming it all in, and I haven't sat down at my computer yet. This is why I planned my day yesterday. So I have some very specific work tasks that I do need to get done today. I just got home, and one of the appointments I had was therapy. If you haven't done EMDR before, I did it for the first time today. Really enjoyed it. Very much enjoyed it. Highly recommend. For processing, reprocessing emotions. It was very good, but I'm also like tired. There was a little bit of crying in therapy. Oh, that'll happen. But yeah, do you ever feel like you like after errands in your go, you have like appointment, errands, grocery shopping, all those things. You just like have to sit down for a minute. So I'm taking 10. I got to unpack the groceries, which I should have done like 10 minutes ago because they rode home in the car and they need to get in the fridge. But I will show you what I got at the grocery store for a little nutritional reset. And then it's time to sit down at the computer. Thank God that I got my bike ride in this morning because I would not be doing it now. So that is why we plan. And let's Just take a minute to reset. And then let's jump back into the day. Groceries. We have some rice, asparagus and carrots, heavy cream, essential. I'm gonna make a coffee here shortly, even though it's 4 o'clock, don't judge. Lots of broccolini, peanut butter, tons of fruit. We love the fruit. So we've got apples, bananas that I'm gonna freeze for smoothies, Stacy's organic tortillas, and then we have some meat. I have 1.5 pounds of flap steak, it's my go-to, and then 1 pound of organic Atlantic on the floor salmon. Eggs, lots of eggs. I said this in a previous video, but I love these ones. They're not actually organic, but they're pasture raised, no antibiotic, vegetarian fed, non-GMO. I find that honestly, these ones are the most orangey yolk. There was only 1 carton of those left, and 12 eggs just doesn't cut it for this greedy girly. So I also got these regenerative, organic, pasture raised from New Barn Organics. Eggies in here. And then a shit ton more fruit. I did go to our cute little boutique pharmacy for more Kinfield bug spray. This is so good. I put it on before I went mountain biking this morning, and I actually saw a friend in town, and she was like, "Oh, are you wearing the bug spray?" Yeah, you could wear it as like perfume. I think it smells so good. It does have citronella in it, but it's also like lemongrass and clove. Honestly, it like smells like vanilla to me. A bunch of strawberries. I did get 2 containers because I'm gonna freeze one for smoothies. Rainier cherries, duh. These are so expensive, but YOLO. We got some bell peppers and a bunch of nectarines. I hope these ripen up well. It's always kind of a, who knows? Shallots. I stopped buying onions and I just buy shallots now. And some potatoes. Okay, hack for grocery shopping. Do all of the things that, like, if you bought bananas to prep for smoothies, right when you get home, you're gonna do it, even though you maybe don't want to. Do like me, take a 10-minute break and then do it. So I bought this whole bunch of bananas. I don't truthfully eat bananas unless they're in smoothies. Whoa, this one's like flat. Weird. Look at this. So I'll do half of a banana in a smoothie. So I'm prepping them now, putting them in halves, and I'll put them directly in the freezer. Also, did you know that monkeys do not peel bananas from this end, but they do it from this end? Okay, trivia fun fact, now you guys know. Doing this now because otherwise they're gonna sit and over-ripen on the counter, and I will never freaking do it, and then I'll end up throwing these away. So these are getting peeled and halved and put in the freezer. The other thing that I do is a lot of fruit, especially porous fruit like strawberries, are on the Dirty Dozen list. So even though I buy organic, I also rinse when I get home. So this is just water, Bragg ACV, secret ingredient, and then baking soda. And I'll let them just kind of rinse for about 5 minutes before I drain them, dry them, and then put them in the fridge. But I do it right when I get home because otherwise I will just get in the carton and eat them, and they dirty. So those are some of my little hacks on prepping food right when you get home. Prep bananas. Okay, it might be 4 o'clock, but we're finally going into the office, and I'm gonna get these things done. The good thing is that it's summer, so it's gonna be light out late, and I'm just gonna put my head down and get it done. here we go. Quick outfit change because it is roasty and toasty in here. Put the fan on. Let's lock in. All right, guys, end of the day. We're feeling like we've gotten a lot done. We're feeling accomplished. We're feeling like we're back into a routine, and we just made my absolute favorite while I'm in the shower dinner. I will share an Instagram reel with the while I'm in the shower dinner, but here we have it. Salmon, broccolini, rice. I'm gonna eat this and I'm going to bed. See you guys next time.